Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying support. Check your Android version and any OEM skin because some phones restrict live lock screen wallpapers. Once done, make sure your device has at least 20% battery and a few hundred megabytes free so previews run smoothly. Next, open Settings or long press the home screen and tap Wallpaper. This is where Android centralizes wallpaper options. You're initiating the process now, so you can pick a live wallpaper or an app source to apply specifically to the locks. You now select the live wallpaper or install one from the Play Store. Live options may appear under Live Wallpapers or within the app you installed. Once you find a candidate, tap Preview so you can test motion and appearance on your lock screen. Then tap Set Wallpaper and explicitly choose lock screen or both if you want home screen too. Make sure to review animation, speed, and battery-saving toggles inside the wallpaper settings because those values directly affect performance and battery life. You're finishing. Lock and unlock your phone to verify the live wallpaper animates on the lock screen exactly as intended. If you don't see motion, make sure Battery Saver, Power Profiles, or Do Not Disturb aren't restricting background animation, and verify the wallpaper app has necessary permissions. If issues persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the wallpaper app, and then repeat the set wallpaper flow. This often resolves stale previews and ensures the lock screen displays live motion reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.